I'm Stephanie from Sew Sustainably. Come join me January 20th at Little Kitchen HTX, where I'm hosting a workshop on learning to sew on a sewing machine. I provide all of the machines, all of the fabric, and all of the supplies that you need to learn how to sew. And by the end of the workshop, you will have created a tote bag to take home with you at the end of the class. Sewing is a wonderful hobby, and once your sewing skills get to a certain level, you can also translate that hobby into a very lucrative side hustle. So come join me January 20th at Little Kitchen for this fun, upbeat, stress free workshop on learning to sew on a sewing machine. I hope to see you then.